Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Da, nagbabalik sa panibagong video kung saan lalaro ko yung Fractured Road Woodstock. So, dito sa game na to, di ko nabasa yung description and also, pero nakita ko yung picture. Pero hindi mo masyado like yung mga lugar lang yung pinakita. Wala akong idea sa game na to. Dinaload ko lang siya. So, kung galing kayo doon sa una kong video, sa The Soul, ito na yung bago kong video. So, lalaroin natin siya. Panihintay natin. So, it's the time to play this game.
And we are back here again. March isn't welcoming us in the best way. The cold will last until the middle of the month, and the strong
So,
winds
middle of nowhere
knock
tayo.
everyone off their feet. We advise you to keep warm and stay alert. But I suggest you take your mind off all the gloomy
Ba't
weather
gano'n?
news
Like,
and
umalog.
listen to something more
Tayo magdadrive. Okay. Dito tayo.
Damn, I'm so sick of this cold. I wish summer would just hurry up and get here.
So nilalamig yung karakter natin. Bro, alam mo na dapat gawin pag nilalamig ka. Diba?
Should be a rest stop not far from here. I'll pull over there for the night.
Okay, where? There? Where? Saan? Bro, saan ka matutulog? Like, ito sa labas? Okay, sana kung may tent ka. Pero for me, mas okay yung... banggay ba natin siya? Okay. Okay. So, dito, kung dito ka matutulog, for me, I think mas safe. Mas safe matulog dito. Try ko siya kasi dito mag-drive. I think mas safe. It is safe. So, hindi siya safe. Uy, may mga deer. Bro, ang tigas naman ng deer. So, pwede pala natin turn off. So, ako kasi, magpapatugtog ako pag nasa loob ako, pag bibiyahe, sa sasakyan, mas gusto ko pa yung sa cellphone, sa Spotify ko, kasi sa tugtugan sa mga
There's that rest stop.
sasakyan. Here?
Stop number 104. Anybody copy?
Answer?
I'm
Okay.
at 117.
I'm at 117.
For fuck's sake, this rest stop was never empty before. But now
What?
there's not a soul here. Glad at least you responded. Yeah, I'm alone here too. Just stars and
Stars
crickets
and
all
crickets.
around me. Yeah, I almost started
Started talking
talking
to the cargo.
Man, this
Man,
job is
this-
driving me crazy. I get it. I've been on the road since morning. Haven't talked to anyone and then got caught in such a downpour.
Well,
Almost went
kasi
off
sa
the
ibang
road.
bansa, sobrang layo talaga ng mga lugar na biyabiyahe ng mga truck, ng mga delivery truck. Like, as in, kailangan, yung iba nga nag-aeroplano eh. Kung tutusin, malayo ka talaga yung, lalo na sa Brazil, kung saan pa man, like, sa mga iba't iba, lalo na sa US, sa mga lugar nilang malaki. Like, bro, sobrang haba ng biyahe. Buting kakata ng kinabukasan kung sakyan lang, pero pag aeroplano, ang bilis.
The weather spares no one, especially
Especially
in
in
March.
March.
By the way, is that
Wait.
dinner on the 30th still open? I haven't been there in forever. They
They had
had
the best
coffee
though. Answer?
Nothing's changed there since the 70s. It's just been standing there, calm as always. Do it. Well, they say good
They say
things
good
stay
things.
that way forever. Well,
It's getting late. I'm gonna go. Maybe eat something, check a truck, and more time later. Thanks for answering. Good night. Good night.
You too.
Okay.
Everything was pretty routine, but it has its own atmosphere.
Okay.
I needed to check the entire truck from the outside.
Okay, check the Ayun yung lakad mo. Oh, sumatanda tayo. Check the tires, bro. Sakto. Sakto naman eh. Okay. This one. Okay. All goods. Mali. Up. Pambira. Okay, all goods. Bro, hindi siya nakakatakot. Like, ang calm niya, ang calm. So, na last tires, is pasok na tayo.
What the hell? You scared me.
Pambira. Taragis sa makahan. Bro, nakakainis. Ba't mo din I'm scared? Tusukin ko yun sa mamatay. What the hell are you? What the hell? You scared me.
Sorry. Didn't mean to.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
So what are you doing stopping?
Look!
There's usually no one around.
So what are you doing? Stop him. There's really no one around. Nearest, none of your business. Nearest rest stop? Just tired.
Let's see. I
I
haven't seen people here in a long time.
Time. Everything's so
It's
quiet.
So quiet.
Ta-ta-ta.
Rough day. You bet.
Yes.
Holland Miller from Nebraska, completely exhausted. You?
You.
Yeah, me too.
Traffic jams. Road work.
everywhere. Just stop here. Don't stay here too long.
All sorts of people wander around these parts. What?
What do you mean?
So, ano ibig niya sabihin dun?
Good night.
Bro, manggugulat ka tapos may sasabihin ka ganon. Kung pang kita, kabila na kang ganyan sa ganyan yung mukha mo, ha? Ayoko talaga sa mga ganitong tao. Ang strange. Like weird. You're literally weird, bro. So, can we get
Jeez,
cars?
freak. Alright, I did everything I needed to do. Finally, I can get some sleep.
Okay, tulog na tayo. To fall asleep. Yan, all goods yan. Goods yan na sa truck ka matulog mo, itaas mo yung dalawang bintana and ilock yung dalawang pinto. And you're safe. You're safe. Trust me. Huh?
Hey.
Huh? Wake up, Minor. Minor?
Sorry to wake you, man. It's me. We talked over.
Minor na lang naman natin siya.
I've got it.
Bro, ayoko talaga.
Totally dead. You
Bro,
think
ang
you can help me
creepy niya talaga.
out? It'll only take a sec.
So, let's...
Oh, yeah, let's just, deal with this in the morning.
From the point in my dispatcher will have my head. I'm not asking. I'm telling you.
Ayoko talaga sa namimilit na tao eh. Alam nila yan, alam niyo yan. Ayoko talaga sa namimilit na tao. Like, yeah, di ba, you must learn to say no.
Yeah, sorry. Can't.
Hey, are you scared of me or something?
Who you?
Yeah, right. Fine. Let's, go take a look. But you owe me for getting me up in the middle of the damn night.
All right. Come on. My truck's just over here.
So, susundan talaga natin siya even we say no. What the heck yung lakad mo? Yan ba talaga pag matanda na? So, it's kinda weird, you know, guys. Ayoko talaga sa mga ganyan eh. Oh! Bro, levitation! O ganyan talaga itsura niya. Robert Ben Rhodes, also known as the Trump. What the heck? So, see? Dapat talaga we must learn to say no talaga, lalo sa mga gantong itsura. I mean, may iba talaga matatanda na nakakawa, kailangan tulungan. Pero, syempre dapat aware ka you must dapat magdala ka ng pang self-defense man lang, tubo or pocket knife, maliit na pocket knife, o kaya pwede nga yung sa pang sa nail cutter lang like pang self-defense lang talaga, or pepper spray or teaser o kulaman, like knuckles na lang. Well, I think di makakalaban yung character natin, even I have knuckles, diba? Matanda na Robert Ben Rhodes, also known as the Truck Stop Killer, is an American serial killer and rapist. Bro, pag nakita ko to sa personal, I hope nakulong na siya, pero pag nakita ko sa personal na I have no mercy. Papaulo na ako siya ng suntok. Like for real. Totoo, hindi ako nagbibiro. Like, throwing punches sa mukha niya. Yung isa nakagano sa mata. Tignan natin kung maagalaw ka pa. Bro, pero madaya siya, naka-levitation siya. Kung kanina yun, ginamscare tayo. Levitation siya lugi tayo doon. May floating quirk siya. Rhodes' modus operandi involved luring hitchhikers or stranded motorists into his truck under the pretense of offering assistance. Once inside, his victims face brutal and sadistic acts of violence. See? Sa tingin niyo ba mapapatawad yung ganyan? Nah, bro. Nah. Kung kahit sa court kami magkita, yung mga ganyan, nakita ko siya, tapos pinakulong ko, kahit nasa court na kami, bro, tatakbo ako sa'yo. Sasapakin ko isa mong mata, mabulag lang yan. Then, he would keep some of his victims alive for an extended period, subjecting them to horrifying experience. Bro, nakakaawa yung mga biktima niya. Well, search ko sa mamaya, si Robert Ben Rhodes. Robert Ben Rhodes, I think. Rhodes. Let's see. Okay. Marlin, Cindy Content, Robert Rhodes, Marlin also known as the Truck Stop Killer, is an American serial killer. Okay. Nangyari nga sa totoong buhay. I hope namatay siya, please. Please. Hindi naman. Absolute cinema. I hope na-torture siya sa loob. Rhodes is still alive. Ko-confirm lang natin. At may A. Yes, bro. Nah, bro. May araw ka rin. So, even we say no, diba? Still, yung choice, pipilitin tayo. Ayoko talaga sa mga ganung tao Like, kunyari, nag-say ka na no, humingi ng tulong, and ayoko. Like, it feels kinda weird or, parang awkward. May time na ganun, like, parang strange feelings, di ba? Totoo naman yung mga ganun. Then, yun nga, you must learn to say no sometimes, guys. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong video sa Fracture Road Woodstop. And, yun nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, huwag kakalimutan lagi magdala ng pang self-defense man lang or kahit anong gamit. Well, also learn to say no sometimes. And yun, mag-ingat kayo palagi. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and I hope nag-appreciate kayo dito sa panibagong video. And kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. Bye bye.